Alright, I was going to show off my rebuild. So, it does look like I'm getting somewhere. Alright, what I've noticed on this project right here is that, let's see, there's where the old plywood was. And then in between there is where another one starts. Well, let's see, okay. Right here is one of those, it's a bigger one. It's a bigger board. And right there is where the seam goes for the pieces of plywood. Anyway, and then, but you know, the way it was before, it had a little skinny board, fat board. You know, fat like that one. And, I don't know, I scabbed a little bit over where the wood is good. And then it's screwed and wood glued. And it's all screwed down. And I have had to do every single one of these this way. Somebody screwed an awning on the side of this thing, and it rotted out pretty much the whole half over here. And yeah, I've been doing every single one of these like this. The boards are 1 5/8 inches in height, so I've had to take two, pinch them together and glue them and screw them down. And yeah, okay. And I am open to some suggestions. This is my first time to do this. I'm winging it now. Let's see, it's raining a little bit. I'll take y'all outside of this thing. I've been fixing the bottom rows of the boards here. This right here it's rotted out real bad over here, but this part of the wood looked good, so I'm gluing in and putting dowel rods, and I'm going to put dowel rods in the bottom of it as well. Each one of these, I think I did dowel rods going in the bottoms of them. My plan next is going to be to slide a piece of plywood in between here. And I got a guide where the plywood starts and goes in. I guess this is one piece of advice that I could be giving to someone else if someone else is ever thought about doing one of these. Okay, that piece of advice is, like, I happen to left a piece of plywood right here. I plan on putting in a piece of plywood, and I can butt it up to that, nail it down. Then afterwards, I'm going to peel this aluminum back, and I can replace that one piece right there. And anyway, I'm going to be going, you know, putting my plywood up underneath this thing. I guess I'm working from that end back. Alright, if no one's been keeping up with my videos on this, or pictures or whatever, I'll give y'all a big look. It's 28 by 8, in case you're wondering. Alright, I'm going to go find somewhere dry.